Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alhassan Baraka and I'm back with another video. You can call me AB if you want. And today's tutorial, as you already know, is about brows. So without wasting much time, let's go. So guys, first step of my brow tutorial, like my brow, how I do my brows, I start off with a spoonly. Yeah, and I'm going to brush my eyebrows to see the shape, like the actual shape I want, after I brush downwards. Yeah, so after brushing downwards, I then go in for my pencil. Sorry, I was adjusting my camera, like it was giving me problems. And yes, I'm using a pencil from Glassy. Glassy. That's what is written on it. But the number, let's leave it to that. I don't know the number. It's wiped off. So I'm going to start with drawing my lines. Yeah, from the top. And I don't start from the how should I say this? Like, yes, you see that part. I don't start like from the start. I just go a little backwards, then start drawing to the end. So after, I take my spoonly and brush upwards. Nicely, whilst I'm still blending. I'm not just brushing, I'm blending with my eyebrows. You see that? Yeah, so it blends perfectly. Then I start off with the downwards, and the downward I start from the back, like from the last part of my eyebrows, then starts building up little by little. Yeah, so I build up, and when I'm doing that, I raise my forehead. How should I explain this? Like, you raise it. I don't know how I don't know whether people can do that, but I can do that. I just raise my eyebrows a little bit higher, then draw the lines. After, I use my spoonly to blend. Yes, just like the foundation, the way you blend, you tap. This one you blend. So I'm using a brown pencil from Miss Loretta. Yeah, and the number I think is 001. Yeah. So I'm using it to fill any parts that I see hasn't been filled, like it hasn't been blended well. So I use a brown pencil to do that. I don't use black, because if you use black, it's going to be too black. I don't like it like that, so I'm good with brown. So I go in for spoonly again and blend. Yes. Guys, make sure you blend it well. It's not about filling in with the pencil, it's all about how you blend it. I just used a little amount, but see how my eyebrows is so black. So we're done, and I'm using a little bit of air cream. Like, it should make my eyebrows stick for some time, because I have stubborn eyebrows, and after, it's going to be starting like coming out of my I don't know how to say that. It always comes out, like it's like falling, I don't know. So you just use your spoonly to brush with a little amount of air cream. It could be, some use soap, I think some use gel. Mine is also a gel, but it's like air cream. It's more of yeah, it's a gel. So after, I go in with for my concealer, and I don't use a concealer when sculpting my brows. I use foundation all the time. I use Iman foundation, and this foundation is a bit old, so I don't use it for my face anymore. my sis gave me that. It's not even my color. And I'm using a flat brush. So the flat brush, the reason why I like this brush is anytime you press it into a shape you want, it gives you the exact shape, like the exact shape. So I just fill in my flat brush with some foundation, and you can see how I'm doing it. I'm doing it both back and front, like filling all the parts. So I start under my eyebrows first. Yeah, and I don't just draw like I don't just draw the line. How should I say this? English more. I just build it little by little. So you build it little by little. So guys, I'm brushing like my eyebrows to see if there is any part I've not like sculpted well, like use the concealer to draw well. So I'm going back into my flat brush with no foundation on it, and I'm wiping off any lines, like harsh lines, to make it look neat. So after I go in for my brush, I use any fluffy brush that can blend my foundation well. That's what I use. So I don't have a preferred brush for that. And when I'm blending, yes, I blend with the line in front of at the top, but in front of my eyebrows. Like I blend the line to make it look natural. I hope you get what I'm talking about. Yes, you could see, so like you know what I'm talking about. So blend, and we're done. So I'll be doing my other eye off camera, or other brow off camera, and I'll be back. Guys, this is my final look. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and